Make a great choice today with the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, MP3 player, security system, cruise control, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.